Ay, ano ba yan?
Sige, mag-introduce tayo ng salikneta. Halika, salik
Ulit. Take two.
Okay, this is Elmer Mandemon reporting to this student working here. Okay.
Good afternoon,
Thank you.
everyone.
What can you
Welcome
say?
to our farm. It's
Hi, hello. I am the owner of this farm and I am the farmer manager here and this is my workers. No.
And this is your wife. What can you
No.
say? So this is your wife, right? What can you say about your farm?
it's quite fascinating.
And this is your laborer.
Yes. Say hi.
And husband, what can you say?
Sila kung magkano sinasahod. Ayun, tanong.
You're the manager. What can you say? Oh.
He's Kwan.
She's my
Ex-yaya.
Is your
What are you,
ex-husband? You, lover, what can you say?
It's not Oliver, it's William. It's dear Oliver. Oliver, say hi. Oliver, say hi. Hoy,
manager.
He's a black chocolate. Yeah, what can you say about your ex-husband?
isop mapayat now.
Why?
Kasi nakakatikim. Ay, joke lang.
It's made from black.
She's not my wife.
Hindi siya masarap kasama.
Oh, this is the kabet. The kabet, what can you say? What can you say to this farmer?
Kasi kabit. Ang mga kabit, dapat pinapatang.
Magkano? Hello and so.
Yan si Elmo.
We are the happy family here because this farm is owned by us and it will be developed 5 years after. And this will lead to the technological-based farming
Yeah, this is our
system.
whole family. Welcome.
So let's talk to a crazy woman.
Sisa.
How
Crispin.
are you, ma'am?
I'm very better and look fine. Thanks for the con of my husband who is now holding the camera.
Why are you so haggard?
Oh, because
It's always haggard.
alam mo naman, kakagaling lang.
Dapat lang 2 minutes
Sa
lang
sex?
pag ano.